Well, I think one of the really interesting things about customer segmentation, especially in the energy space, is that, a lot of us are talking about what is it like to engage with the modern energy consumer as if it's a static snapshot in time, where in reality it is a moving target and will remain a moving target. And one of the things that energy providers need to do is to essentially have a paradigm shift similar to the one that the entire industry is having, to going from ratepayers to customers. We need to understand that it is our job moving forward to keep up with our customers' changing needs and expectations. And one of the examples that I like to talk about, this is true for any customer-facing program or service, but electric vehicles, for example, one of the things that we do is help predict adoption of EVs, in different areas in the US and Canada. And if you think about the people who were buying EVs 5 years ago and the people who are buying EVs now and the people who will be buying EVs in 5 years from now are very different types of people who buy them for different reasons. And as any kind of innovative technology, or even something as simple as paperless billing, becomes more mainstream for your customer base, you're going to go through this adoption curve where you're going to initially target the innovators, then the early adopters, then the early majority, the late majority, the laggards, the skeptics. And as you go through that process, you're going to be targeting people who are looking very different. And that is one of the things that is really important. You can't use a customer segmentation model from 5 years ago to figure out who you need to target today.